Sure, I'll try just getting up this thing. This is what it says, but I'm just one person at a time, so I'll just try going up. It's like a cute small treeway. Okay, so I've gotten here. Okay, so I'll just use it as a small face cam and I'll just get in the middle of this thing. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. Okay, yeah. So if you can know the stability, I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, this is how it's looking like. And I'm in the middle of this thing. So let's keep walking. Let's flip the camera. Flip the camera. Yeah. So if you keep on walking, you'll see that view first of all. That's in the middle of the bridge, and then ending the whole walk of the bridge on the other side, we have the view of this field kind of place. And far there, I think you can see something burning. I don't know what it is. And that's the lake we saw. It's a small boating place, and again you can see the whole the natural skyline of Satara far, and you can see that swimming pool place. And there's some construction going on. I don't know what it is because everything looks constructed pretty much. That's kind of an off-road where we could actually get some bikes and all, park it right there, and then get into that water and shit. So let's try getting down from this place while this thing is set on. So camera, I am. So yeah, we are in Satara. It's a small resort here. We've got in a small room. I don't know if you can. Yeah, this is a proper small view of the room. Windows and mirrors, and this is a bathroom. Yeah. Just take you out for a second, and this is the small balcony kind of thing. And just it's free to go up. I'll just actually go up. This place is not exactly in Satara. It's a little far from Satara. Okay, you will have a nice view now. I don't know if it's cardboard or something. Okay, this is some kind of roof, and just take you around and woo! That's the view, people. Chalo, I'll just take you guys down. Okay, so I started from Bangalore, and then I got to my home, and then from my home we started last night to Satara. We took a train and a bus, and we got here early morning at 7:30. And the time right now is 8:10. We brushed up and we freshened up, and this is how the basement of the house looks like. Caged rabbits eating, I don't know what, eating some kind of glass or something, I don't know what. Okay, so this is the room that I just showed you guys, and just in front of that we have quite a very beautiful garden. I don't know, it's not a garden, it's not called a garden. क्या बोल क्या रहा है? It's not a garden, it's a छोटा सा green patch है जहाँ पे हम कुछ भी show वो कर सकते हैं. So let's flip the camera now. But yeah, this is something I wanted to show. So they have given us an Enfield Desert Storm and this Gaudi to actually make a small entertainment for ourselves kind of thing. And let's see what happens with it. And also guys, there is a small thing. I don't know, I want to get slow motion shots here because it's the first ever big trampoline I've seen in my life. I've seen smaller ones, but then this is a big one, like a adult size requirement. Then we are moving to some kind of eatery. It's a Sabhagra kind of thing. It's a canteen, yeah. That's what they say, it's a canteen. So probably we're gonna have some chai now. Chai and some kind of biscuit. So today is gonna be a long day, and I've actually started with my phone camera as of now, because my other cameras are charging, and I really wanted to show you the difference of different cameras today. So I have okay, I'll just flip the camera one sec. So I'll be shooting things like maybe this is a military, I don't know what exactly it's called. This is a cricket net practice, and then if you just like pass these trees that we are seeing, there's this green patch of land where they are celebrating the function that we have today. So I'll just take you there also. Like, I've already been there, but then yeah, let's just for you guys, look at that. Do you see that? Yeah, that's the place. And then slowly moving up to the what we have on the other side of this screen is I'll just give you a small hint. It's a little water. Let's flip it. Woo! So that's the water part. It's a small swimming pool kind of thing. These people have also told me that there is a rain dance arrangement done. So I don't know when exactly the rain dance is gonna be, and I'll have shots of that also. And as of now, they're having chai. I'll go have chai. If they have chai, I'll go have chai. And I'll get back to you guys later. See ya. So that's the chai, and I don't know what that's called, khari for the day. That's Loya.
Hi.
And this is the family I'm actually vlogging for. Not vlogging, but then it's a little kind of a small shoot. I'll just introduce you to these people just like in a while, because I have this to eat. So I'll be back in a while. See you. This is another one of the phone vlogs. This is like very easy to do, so that's why I'm doing the phone vlog. And I just kept my Osmo inside the bag because I already shot a small vlog with the Osmo. The thing is that I could not do anything with the 700D because I don't know why the video was not being like recorded suddenly, but then the key pictures were being captured, so I have a couple of good pictures. But the thing is that it did not have any video control as such. So it did, but then I don't know what was wrong with the camera. So let's like hope that I get another camera some other day, some kind of Canon or Nikon one day. But anyway, so I have photos, and we did a lot of things today. I will just sum up. We did not wake up early. We got on the bus. We got to this swimming pool kind of place I showed you in the morning, and we had a shower and also a swim. There's a small video of that. I did not shoot myself doing that because I was working for these people. I just had it in the end. And then we had breakfast. Breakfast mein, I don't remember. Yeah, breakfast mein we had some kind of misal pav. That's like the local snack here. And in lunch we had a kind of a meal which had rotis and curries and different things like that. And for dinner, I don't know what's cooking now, but then for there was a high tea that was there. And it's like in just some time we are gonna start up with this event. We have projectors ready, we have a music system ready, so I hope the program's gonna be good. Today it's a Marwadi family here. I don't know if it's called Marwari or Marwadi. I'm confused right now, but then it's Marwadi family. So everyone's dressed up. They are like properly set up, and the focus just switched off. I don't know why, and everything's on a natural scale of light today. No, not today. Now. And yeah, just beside me is that lake kind of thing, if you can see it around like this. Yeah, that's where the boating is done. I can see the boat also now. I don't think you can see the boat. So these are the people. So I'll be shooting a little more with the Osmo. We have a car entry from there. I remember showing you a small, not a small, a proper bullet, the Desert Storm, but then it was out of service, so we could not use it. We are instead getting the Jeep. I showed you that Jeep also. It's right now completely like, what do you say, uh, properly put up with balloons and decorations. We're just waiting for someone to like rev it up and start coming from there. I might get a shot from that camera, but let's see what happens. See you people. आज डिनर में है दिस इज़ आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट्स काइंड ऑफ पुलाव एंड दिस इज़ कांदे का पकोड़ा onion pakora. This is बैगन. That's some kind of sambar. It's like Maharashtrian saru. That's amras and that's puran poli. I don't know if you have eaten, but then it's like, yeah. So I'll just eat this thing. I don't know how tasty or not tasty it is. Then